A building does not have to give you any explanation for why they rejected an applicant. That's where the business judgment rule protects them. They can reject somebody without having to provide any reason whatsoever, which is the nature of the beast. Until there's legislature that changes this is what we have to live with. If you are lucky enough to get an explanation, which every blue moon I am, right? Every time I get somebody rejected by a board, I write the managing agent an email, if you're amenable to it, I understand that you're not required to do this, but we would like to know what the reason is for the rejection so we can perhaps provide information, clarity, or a solution to, address the board's concerns with this applicant. The 3 out of 10 times I'll get, well, we're concerned with this financial aspect, and it's really limited towards finances and a legitimate specific issue. And perhaps we can alleviate that. Bringing in a guarantor. I once brought in a guarantor because when you're talking about a parent and a child buying together, there's estate tax implications should the parent pass away. Sometimes it's better for tax reasons for the child to buy on their own if they're above the age of 18, because that way you're getting the parent out of the equation, and if the goal is for the parent to leave this to the child, it is a smart mechanism for estate planning purposes. So then we know that, okay, well, co-op can reasonably reject somebody because I don't want a 25-year-old kid who, is trying to become an aspiring actor in New York City to own a 7-figure apartment and they can't afford the maintenance. So bring a parent in as a guarantor.